What's up YouTube, it's your boy Nash here, welcome back to the channel. And as you guys can tell, I have not one, not two, not three, not four, but I've got eight, practically an entire display box of Hidden Arsenal Chapter 1. I'm gonna be honest, this set, I don't know why people are hating on this set. I mean it's Hidden Arsenal. The Hidden Arsenal series were some of the best side sets in the history of Yu-Gi-Oh. I mean, it gave us cards, like Trishula and Bryon, and Bryonic, and so many other incredible cards. Even also, if you look on the side over here, Alive Justice Decisive Armor, which is an awesome card. But honestly, I know that I do have some, a couple of, Duel Terminal base cards, but I've never, owned them, from the machines that were seen at YCS and whatnot. So, opening these up would be awesome, because I'll be getting the chance to have a look at what the Duel Terminal rarity looks like, basically. So hopefully you guys enjoy this opening. If you guys do, and you guys want to see more openings in the future, which sadly doesn't happen often, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and you have that notification bell on so you guys do not miss out. And as always, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. The links will be in the description below, as will the info to my fan mail. It will also be in the description as well. And on that, let's begin. And also, too, guys, I actually got all eight of these from my partners at the collector store. So make sure you guys check them out. The link will be in the description below. And collector store, I know you guys watch my videos. The next time you ship me the products, make sure they don't have holes in them already, because when I got the boxes in the mail, they end up having holes already. So please be careful with the product. Literally, try and be careful, because the contents inside can oftentimes be ruined sometimes. So, but again, big shout outs to them. Link will be in the description below. Incredible, probably one of the best card shops I've ever done business with in a while. There's no way to describe them. They're just incredible. So if you guys have not done so already, check them out. Link is in the description. But if you guys are in the Missouri area and you guys want to check them out physically, their address will also be in the description as well. I leave all their info in there in case you guys want to check them out physically, or if you want to check their online store out. They're just, I cannot say enough how good they are, how incredible they are. But yeah, guys, Hidden Arsenal Chapter 1, probably one of the most underrated sets of the format, because you look at this from a competitive standpoint. Yeah, there might be a couple cards that are pretty decent, but here's the funny thing about this set. The only card in this set that is worth more than $10 is the skill drain, which is going for $20, 21 bucks, which is just pathetic. It is. I don't even have the words to describe it, honestly. And I'm taking all of the packs out in one go, just because I don't want to waste time. So I'll try and go through these as quickly as I can. Try and get the packs out really quickly. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys are having an incredible day so far. I know that this year, 2022, has been really weird as of late with everything that's been going on in the world, but hopefully you guys are having an awesome day. And hopefully you guys are ready for for this opening. It's going to be a very intriguing opening. Last mini box to open. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. The packaging, the way they package it, I guess somebody must not like me or something, so I can just easily do that. So I don't know who hates me from the store, but somebody must hate me. Alright, guys, I got all the packaging out of the boxes. Now it's time to open up the boxes and see what kind of dice we get and everything else. Hopefully we get something good. But just to show you guys the dice, we have these 5 and there's one other one. I don't remember what it was. But let's take a look at the dice. Okay, so this is actually the Outlife Justice dice. That's just really cool. I like that. And ooh, nice Power Tool Dragon Secret Rare promo. That's pretty cool. I think I need this for a video series I'm gonna be doing pretty soon. But as always, you get 2 packs and you get this. I'll try and show. You know what? I'll show this off here in a little while. So I got too many mini boxes. I'll go put these off to the side next to me right here. And let's go through the next one. And for the second promo, oh, Draguni Gusarme. All right, not too bad, not too bad. I think that's like not even a couple bucks. Yeah, literally, it's only like it's like a $2 card. And for the next dice, oh, is this the Ice Barrier one? Oh, nice, nice. We actually got the Ice Barrier one. That's actually really cool. I like that. 2 more packs. Alright, next mini box. Let's see what we get. Promo? Okay, Armored Dragon, the Armored Dragon. I believe that is a OCG import, so that's pretty cool. And for the dice, oh, we got the Naturia. We got the Naturia one. That's cool. That is actually pretty cool. 2 more packs. And of course, that. Next mini box. And the promo. Ooh, Formula Synchron. I will take that. I will take a Formula Synchron any day. Oh, it's another Naturia. No, I don't want another Naturia. Honestly, guys, I'm looking to try and pull all the dice because I actually have an entire dice collection from these past sets. If you guys want to look, check it out. I actually did a video. I actually posted a photo on my Instagram of all the dice that I've collected since I think Dragons of Legend the Complete Series, actually. Funny enough. We'll see if we can get that special one. And it looks like, yep, it looks like I may end up having to get another few mini boxes, unfortunately. We have another Armed Dragon, not bad. 2 more packs. Alright, you guys, 3 more mini boxes, 3 chances to get the last ones. Another Gusarme. Ooh, okay. Flamvell, not bad. I'll take it. 2 packs. And this? I know, guys, my desk is piling up with packs and dice and everything, so I'm trying to go through these as quickly as I can. Is that like my 4th like Naturia dice? Really? What the hell? Ooh, okay. Deep Sea Repetitor. Okay, not bad. Whoa, fell out. It fell out. Alright, you guys, last one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get more. I am definitely gonna be getting more of these, just because I want to get all the dice. So I believe we got all the dice except the Berserker one. Yeah. So I'm gonna be getting a few more soon. So there we go. We got the Formula Synchron. Give me a second to get all this situated, and we will get started. Without dropping the packs. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have the last one over here. Yeah, and I think there's only one card in each. Yeah. So there's only one card in each, so I don't have to take them out of the packaging. I'll take them out of the packaging later. Just save time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we should have 16 packs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, and then 16. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Here are all the dice. I'll take the dice out of the packaging later. Unfortunately, I don't have any sleeves. Fix my camera. There we go. I actually ran out of sleeves. Unfortunately, they're all like in my binders. Unfortunately, but here's the thing that I was talking about. It basically just shows the whole series. Try and get it. There we go. And I had already done videos on this before in my series, Yu-Gi-Oh's Biggest Issue. I had talked about each of the different archetypes last year, so if you guys want to check out those videos, you guys are more than welcome to. You guys should definitely check them out. It was a pretty crazy series to say the very least. But here, actually, you know what? I will take these out of the packaging. Give me 1 second, guys. I know I said I wouldn't, but I'm going to, just so that way I have extra room on my desk. But I have to admit, guys, the secret rare on these cards are so beautiful, especially the Power Tool Dragon. It looks amazing. But I will be getting more of these. In fact, I'm just gonna keep buying these until I get the Berserker Crush die, which is the last one that I need. Is that all 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So I guess the Naturia one is like the more common one, I guess. So I'll probably end up having to get more. I also am planning on getting a display, sort of Ghost from the Past, the Second Haunting. Hopefully. Honestly, I probably won't, but we'll see. But we shall see. But yeah, the foiling on Power Tool Dragon looks amazing, I have to admit. I think this might be the first printing of it as a secret rare. But yeah, here are the cards, not in the packaging. So let's get straight into it. Again, unfortunately, I don't have my sleeves with me. They're all in binders, unfortunately. But let's get straight into it with the first pack. Chase cards of the set obviously is the skill drain. The Stratos is the other one. Ally of Justice Cycle Reader is another one, and then the original R Poly are some of the more chase cards of the set. So let's get straight into it. First up, we have Flammable Guard, Naturia Vane, Fable Galibus, Naturia Rosewhip, Dragoony Pilu, Dragoony Primus Pilus, I believe is how it's pronounced, Medium of the Ice Barrier, the Fable Suburl, Naturia Ladybug. Wow! Okay. Red Eyes Black Dragon Duel Terminal. See if I can get the light. There we go. There you go. You can see right here. The DT. That is incredible. Bryonic Dragon of the Ice Barrier, not bad. Naturia Bamboo Shoot, and a Dragoonity Partisan. That's actually pretty cool. So those are the DTs. Alright. I'm gonna put the dice over here in the corner. I know I shouldn't, but still. Wow. Alright, so next up we have Miss Valley Baby. We have Miss Valley Falcon, Naturia White Oak, Blizzard Warrior. I believe that was a super rare in Hidden Arsenal 1. Sacred Spirit of the Ice Spirit, and Neo Flamvell Garudia. Alright, so all in all, not bad. Red Eyes, I'll take it. I will take a Red Eyes any day. Alright, you guys, next pack. Alright, we have Dragoon Knight Gaydurg, Naturia Guardian, the Blizzed, Defender of the Ice Barrier, Naturia Pumpkin, Warlock of the Ice Barrier, Naturia Cliff, Allied Justice Omni Weapon, not bad, Naturia Spider Fang, Spellbreaker of the Ice Barrier, and for the DTs, we have Dragoon Knight Barcha, Book of Moon, nice. Oh, what? Naturia Exterio, basically the card that just says fuck you. That's all it does. This card just says fuck you. I actually need this card, I think, in my Magna Warrior deck, I think. So this card really come in handy. And then, of course, Flamvell Dragonov. So not bad. Naturia Mantis, Fabled Ashenvale, Samurai the Ice Barrier, Dragoonity Trebus, and Dragoonity Partisan. Yeah, I believe I believe the cards can come in as common and also as the DTs. I'm actually gonna do this instead of spreading them out like I normally did. I'm just gonna do it like this, just to make it easier, so I have more room. Also, guys, if you guys hear music in the background, I've got the Bolero of Fire from Ocarina of Time. No copyrights. You guys know why, and you know how this works with the algorithm. Alright, guys, next pack. We have the Fabled Unicorn, Blizz Defender the Ice Barrier. Are these Euro? These have to be Euro. I guess not, because they feel a little different compared to some of the other cards that I've, held over the years. Fabled Unicorn, Blizz Defender the Ice Barrier, Allied Justice Rudra. Excuse me. Daijo the Ice Barrier, the Fabled Nozochi, Dance Princess the Ice Barrier, Allied Justice Colossalus, not bad, Naturia Ladybug, the Fabled Cerebral, Fabled Raijin, not bad. What? Magician's Force Dark Paladin, the Magician's Force art, that's not bad. Excuse me. Dragoonity Ducks. And Secret Guards of the Ice Barrier. Not bad. White Oak, Blizzard Warrior, Partisan, Dragonov, and Tribus. Not bad. So far, I am actually pleased with my pull so far. Not bad. But if we can get, cards like Decisive Armor and the Skill Drain, I will be so happy. That'll be incredible. Well, speaking of Berserker Crush, we have Wing Karibo. It's actually the last one I need. It's the die. The Berserker Crush die. Cryomancer of the Ice Barrier. Naturia Sunflower. Primus Pillis. Pilum. Rose Whip. Medallion of the Ice Barrier. Naturia Butterfly. Naturia Dragonfly. Oh, nice, Assailant. Nice little Go format card. Nice. Another Red Eyes. I'll take it. There it is, guys. The one and only Skill Drain, baby. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. There it is, guys. The one and only Skill Drain. The $20 card. Let's see how many of these we can pull. I'm going to put those off to the side. Let's see how many of those we can pull. Ally of Justice Quarantine. Hey, COVID. Catastor. That looks so weird as a common. Literally, this looks so weird as a fucking common. Falcon, White Oak, Econ. Nice reprint. And then Flameville, Grunica, I believe that's how it's pronounced. But yeah, let's see how many skill drains we can get. I'm curious of how many skill drains you can get per display box, so to speak. Alright, you guys, we have Draguni Dark Spear, Ancient Flamvel Deity. What does this card do again? If this card is synchro summon banish cards from your opponent's grave up to the number of cards in their hand, and if you do, this card gains 200 attack for each card banished by this effect. Not too bad. Wing Karibo. Ha! That's hilarious. Karibo. Field Marshal. Not bad. We have Nullifier. Neo Flamvell Hedgehog. Mist Valley Soldier. Defender of the Ice Barrier. Ooh, Barrel Dragon. Not bad. Draguni Ducks. Ooh, Blue Eyes. Hell yeah, let's go. And Blizz, Defender of the Ice Barrier. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm coughing. It's not COVID. It's just something got caught in my throat. There we go. But yeah, not bad. Barrel Dragon, Ducks, Blue Eyes, Blizz. I'm okay with that. Fable Toji, another Catastor, Falcon, Geomancer, and Valkyrus. Not bad. Still have a long way to go, guys. A long way to go. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this opening. If you do, if you are, smash that thumbs up button. Ancient Flamvell Deity, Caravan of the Ice Barrier, Fable Kushano, Wabaku, nice little old Go format card, actually. Funny enough. Neo Flamvell Origin, Naturia Ladybug, Leo Drake, one of the only vanilla synchros of the format of the set. Funny enough. General Ryo the Ice Barrier. Ooh, MST. That actually looks good. That looks good with the DT rarity. A third Red Eyes. I will take it, and there we go. Skill drain number 2, baby. Let's go. And then the Fable Nozochi. Not bad. Kudabi, Tulip, Antjaw, Partisan, Ally Mind. That's cool. And then Granica. Not bad. So far, not bad. I am pleased with the pulls. Triple skill drain. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. If we get that playset, that'd be incredible. Naturia Rock, Legionnaire, Flamvell Deity, Fabled, Pegulsis, I believe that was pronounced, Leviathan, Flamvell Baby, Naturia Leo Drake, Fabled Topi, Ally of Justice Omni Weapon, a fourth, is there a fourth Red Eyes? What the hell? Another Dark Paladin. Look at this, guys. Look. That's a misprint right here. The L, you guys might not be able to see it, but the L is faded a little bit on the top. That's crazy. Yes! Yes! There we go. There we go. There we go. Polymerization, the OG artwork. That is gorgeous. Let's go. And Naturia Landois. Alright. Oh, this is the one with the monster effect. Oh, okay. All right. So, okay, I think I get it. I think I get it. Naturia, what is it? Barkion. Barkion focuses on traps. Beast focuses on spells, and then this one focuses on the monster effects. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. If you were to have all three on board, it's essentially it's essentially a lock. That's actually pretty cool. Fabled Dianara, Fabled Naturia Beetle, Royal Knight of the Ice Barrier, Allied Justice Enemy Catcher, and Econ. How many Red Eyes do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our 4th Red Eyes Black Dragon. Wow. Alright, you guys, pack number 8. We are halfway there. But But yeah, I am definitely gonna be getting more of these until I can get my hands on the Berserker Crush one. Hopefully, I can pull it. Maybe, I don't know. Kushano, Caravan of the Ice Barrier, Fable Diff, I believe is how it's pronounced. Secret Guards of the Ice Barrier, Fable Urustos, Naturia Ragweed, Naturia Spiderfang, Spellbreaker of the Ice Barrier, Colossalus, nice. Ooh, Gay Dog. Gay Bulg. Gay Bulg is actually not too bad of a card. Card Trooper, nice. Ooh, Trishula. Excuse me. Ooh, Trishula, not bad. And a Daisojo of the Ice Barrier, that's cool. Miz. Hey, it's the Miz. Hey, Miz, what's up? Another Catastrophe, I believe that's our third one, nice. Falcon, Sacred Spirit, and Garuda. Yeah, for some reason these feel weird. Don't know why. So far, only two skill drain, not too shabby, but I think we can do better than that. I think we can do a little bit better than that. So let's see. Gatorg, Caravan of the Ice Barrier, Fable Kushano, Warlock of the Ice Barrier, Evolution Burst. I believe this was a Seeker Rare, if I remember correctly. Ragweed, Cosmic Gateway, not bad. Butterfly, Dragonfly, another Barrel Dragon. That's nice. Phalanx, there it is. 3 skill drain, baby. 3 skill drain, and a Neo Flamvel Shaman as well. Falcon, Unlimiter, that's pretty cool. What does this card do? You contribute this card that target an ally adjusts as a monster you control. That target's attack becomes double its original attack. Well, that's cool. A 4th Catastor, I'll take it. Dragonov and Tribus. So our 3rd skill drain, that's actually really cool. Our 3rd skill drain, absolutely incredible. The pulls are just phenomenally incredible. I don't have the words to describe it. And the dice look extremely gorgeous. I need to get that Berserker Crush die. Seriously. I ended up getting all 5, but there's still one more that I need to get. So I'm hoping to get my hands on it. All right, you guys. Let's see. General Gantala of the Ice Barrier. This is the one that I was talking about. This is what the die sort of looks like. So Berserker Crush, I believe, was a Seeker Rare. Naturia Cosmo B, the Fable Nozochi, Dance Princess the Ice Barrier, Dust Tornado. Wow, never thought I would see this as a common reprint again. That's pretty cool. Leo Drake, Stink Bug, General Raiho the Ice Barrier. Wow. Apex Avion, nice reprint. This card definitely needed a reprint, especially because of the last reprint it got. What did it get? I think it was like maybe a $40 card or something like that. Somewhere around there. Fable Grimro, and another Exterio, nice, and another Landois, cool. Royal Knight of the Ice Barrier, Fable Dianara. We have Ms. Toji, Geomancer, and Harvey Lady 1. Yeah, I almost forgot. That this also features some of the cards that were from the Duel Terminal sets years past. So that's pretty cool. There's also the Stratos one that I want to get my hands on. The Shining Flare Wingman is another one that I want to get my hands on. Buster Blader would be a really nice one to get. Dark Magician, I think, is also in here as well. Neos as well. So there's a lot of them. Naturia Guardian, Blizz Defender of the Ice Barrier, Alab Justice Rudra, Naturia Landois, Naturia Hydrangia, Daisojo, Medium, Fable Cerebral, Ladybug. Alright, so we have another Gay Bulg. There we go. There it is. Dark Magician. We got the Holy Trinity already. Another Trishula and a Dragonfly. Nice. Brandistog, Fruitfly, 5th Catastor. Holy shit. Grunica, and Fable Kokator. And also, guys, there's also the decisive armor that I'm missing. I need places of those cards for several decks that I built over the years. So hopefully we can get that. And I just hit my camera. Galabas, Gaydurg, Caravan, Strawberry, Horneedle, Leviathan, Hedgehog, Strategist, Soldier, another Red Eyes, Jesus Christ, Barcha, there we go, Flame Wingman, nice, and a Guardian, very nice. Unlimiter, a second place at Catastor, holy shit. Red MD, nice little reprint. Thunderlord, and Kokator. Kokator, I believe that was pronounced. Alright, you guys, 4 packs left. Let's see what we can pull. Hopefully we can get at least one decisive armor. Wing Karibo, Sunflower, Cryomancer. What in the hell happened? See, this is exactly what I'm talking about here. Look at the weighting. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Wow. Flamvell Baby, Dust, Dust Tornado, Dance Princess, Spellbreaker, Omniweapon, nice. Trident, a second Dark Magician, I will take it. Dark Paladin, I will take that as well. Ducks, nice. And a Harpy Lady 3. That's cool. Mantis, Samurai, Pilgrim, Dragoonie Militum, and Ally Mind. And I just hit my camera again. 3 packs left. Let's see what else we can get. Let's see. Nateria Rock, Legionnaire, Vayne, Evolution Burst, Angus Taclavi, I believe how it's pronounced, Flamvell Origin, General Grunerd of the Ice Spear, Harbor Lady 2, Swallow's Nest, very nice. Ooh, Barrel Dragon, okay. Another Poly, I will take it, and a Dux, very nice. And Hydrangea, I believe I said that right. Blizzard Warrior, White Oak, Falcon, Partisan, and Dragonoff. Very nice, very nice, very nice. 2 packs left. Let's see. Let's see. Shaman, Rathanios, very nice. Thunderbird, Landois, Hydrangea, Daisojo, Lurie, Shaman, Fable Ganashia. Wow. Holy shit. Sidra, very nice. Dragoonie Ducks. And another Exterio, I will take it. And a Galabas, very nice, very nice. White Oak, Blizzard Warrior, Unlimiter, Dudark, which is so much bullshit in Frog decks, unfortunately, and Dragonoff. Alright, you guys, last pack. Simple reminder, guys, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future content. Social media links will be in the description. Fan mail info is also in the description. Last pack of Destiny. Bless us with them pulls of Destiny, guys. Let's go. We have Dragoonie Darkspear, Ancient Flamvell Deity, Wing Karibo, Allied Justice Nullifier, Wabaku, Neo Flamvell Origin, Nateria Leo Drake, General Raiho of the Ice Barrier, General Grunerd of the Ice Barrier, another Red Eyes, I will take it, Night Assailant, Trishula, and a Fabled Diff. Samurai of the Ice Barrier, Pilgrim of the Ice Barrier, Flamvell Ashenvale, Fabled Ashenvale, Flamvell Dragonoff, and a Partisan. So, all in all, not too bad. Not too bad. Little recap of the Secret Rares. Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't get a single decisive armor, but at the same time, I'm actually not too mad about what we pulled. These are all of the different the what you call it, the common DT cards, and then here are the ultra rare DT cards that we pulled. Is it worth it? Absolutely. If you guys are looking to get, pick up, cards like Skill Drain and Red Eyes and Exterio, a bunch of like old school cards, definitely get this set. This set will really help. This set is incredible. I mean, come on. A reprint of Apex Avion, it don't get any better than that. Card Trooper, Polys, it's incredible. I would definitely say get your hands on this set. Alright, you guys, that will do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys want to see more openings in the future, which sadly don't happen often, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you guys do not miss out on any new content that comes your way. And as always, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. The links will be in the description below. And if you guys have any fan mail that you guys want to send me and you guys want me to open up on the channel, all the info will be in the description as well. And on that, this is your boy Nash, signing out.